Let me guess. You get paid every single month, and somehow by the end of the month, your bank account is almost empty. You have no idea where it all went. Sound familiar? You are not alone. 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, not because they don't earn enough, but because nobody ever taught them how to manage money properly. Here is the good news. You don't need a finance degree. You don't need complicated spreadsheets. You don't need to track every penny. You just need one simple rule, the 50-30-20 rule. And in the next 10 minutes, I am going to break it down completely using stick figures, so you can build a real budget starting today. Let's draw this out. Before we dive in, this video is for you if any of these sound familiar. You have no idea where your money goes each month. You feel anxious every time you check your bank account. You have tried budgeting before but gave up after a few days. Or you just started earning a real income and want to build good habits from day one. If that is you, perfect. You are in exactly the right place. And I want you to hear this before we start. There is zero shame in not knowing how to budget. Schools don't teach this. Most parents never explained it. You were just supposed to figure it out on your own. Well, not anymore. Today we figure it out together, with stick figures. So what exactly is the 50-30-20 rule? It was created by U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren in her book, All Your Worth, and the idea is beautifully simple. Every single dollar you earn gets divided into 3 buckets. Bucket 1, 50%, goes to your needs. Bucket 2, 30%, goes to your wants. Bucket 3, 20%, goes to savings and investing. That is the whole system. 3 buckets. Let me show you with a real example. Let's say you bring home $3,000 per month after taxes. That is your take-home pay, the actual money hitting your bank account. Here is exactly where it goes. $1,500, that is 50%, goes to needs. Rent, groceries, utilities, car payment, insurance, things you cannot live without. $900, that is 30%, goes to wants. Eating out, Netflix, coffee, shopping, gym, hobbies, the fun stuff that makes life enjoyable. $600, that is 20%, goes to savings. Emergency fund, Roth IRA, index funds, your future. 3 buckets, 1 paycheck, 0 confusion. Let's break down bucket 1, your needs. 50% of your take-home pay goes here. On $3,000 per month, that is $1,500. So what counts as a need? A need is anything you absolutely cannot live without. Housing, your rent or mortgage, utilities, electricity, water, internet, basic groceries, food to cook at home, transportation, car payment, gas, insurance or public transit, minimum debt payments, basic health insurance. That is your needs list. Now here is what is not a need. Your new phone upgrade, want. Eating out every day, want. Your gym membership, want. Netflix and streaming, want. Those all go in bucket 2. Now what if your needs already cost more than 50% of your income? This happens, especially in expensive cities. If your rent alone takes 60%, adjust the rule. Do 60-20-20 instead. The percentages are guidelines, not prison sentences. The goal is awareness. Knowing where your money goes is step 1 to controlling it. Bucket 2, your wants, and this is the fun bucket. 30% of your income goes here. On $3,000 per month, that is $900 every single month to spend on things. Guilt-free. Here is what belongs in your wants bucket. Eating out and takeout, coffee shops, Netflix, Spotify, Hulu, clothes shopping beyond basics, gym membership, hobbies and weekend plans, concert tickets and video games, anything that brings you joy but is not strictly necessary. Now here is the key mindset shift. A lot of people feel guilty spending money on fun things. They think budgeting means cutting out everything enjoyable. That is completely wrong. and it is exactly why most budgets fail. The 50-30-20 rule builds in 30% for guilt-free spending. That is the whole point. When you follow this system, spending $30 on dinner out is not bad. It is planned. It is part of your budget. You don't need to feel guilty. The problem was spending on fun things with no plan and having nothing left for your future. With 30% built in, you get to enjoy your life and build wealth at the same time. Bucket 3, and this is the most important one, your savings. 20% of your income goes here. On $3,000 per month, that is $600 every single month going straight to your future. Here is exactly how to split that $600. First, if you do not have an emergency fund yet, put all $600 here until you have 3 to 6 months of expenses saved. An emergency fund protects everything else you build. Second, once your emergency fund is funded, open a Roth IRA and put up to $583 per month into it. That maxes out your $7,000 annual contribution. Your money grows completely tax-free. I did a whole video on Roth IRA. Definitely watch it after this one. Link is in the description. Third, invest the rest in a regular index fund brokerage account. Fidelity or Schwab, both free, both excellent. Now here is where the magic happens. $600 per month invested consistently starting at age 25, at an average return of 8% per year, grows to over $1.7 million by age 65. $1,700,000 from $600 per month from following a simple 3-bucket system. Your 20% savings bucket is not a sacrifice. It is you paying your future self every single month. All right, let's actually build your budget right now. Here is your 5-step action plan. Step 1. Find your monthly take-home pay. This is your income after taxes. Check your last pay stub. Write down the actual number that hits your account. Step 2. Calculate your 3 buckets. Multiply your take-home pay by 0.50 for needs. Multiply by 0.30 for wants. Multiply by 0.20 for savings. Write all 3 numbers down. Step 3. Track your current spending for 1 week. Look at last month's bank statements. Sort every purchase into needs, wants, or savings. This will probably shock you, and that is okay. Awareness is step 1. Step 4. Set up automatic savings. This is the most important step. The moment your paycheck hits, set up an automatic transfer of 20% straight to your savings or investment account. Do not wait until the end of the month. Automate it on payday. Pay your future self first. Step 5. Adjust and repeat every month. Your budget will not be perfect in month 1. That is completely normal. Adjust the numbers. Stay consistent. Get better every single month. 5 steps, 1 system. Financial clarity starting today. Before I let you go, 3 budgeting mistakes I see beginners make all the time. Mistake 1. Budgeting based on gross income instead of take-home pay. Your gross income is what you earn before taxes. Your take-home pay is what actually hits your bank account. Always use your take-home pay for the 50-30-20 calculation. Using gross income will throw off every single number. Mistake 2. Saving whatever is left over at the end of the month. Most people spend first and save what is left. There is usually nothing left. Flip this completely. Save first the moment you get paid. Automate it. Then live on what remains. This single change will transform your finances. Mistake 3. Giving up after 1 bad month. You will have months where you overspend on wants. You will have surprise expenses that blow your needs budget. That is life. The goal is not perfection. The goal is consistency over time. Quitting after 1 bad month does not solve the issue. Let's do a quick recap. The 50-30-20 rule splits every dollar you earn into 3 buckets. 50% to needs, your survival expenses. 30% to wants, the fun stuff you enjoy. 20% to savings, your future self. On a $3,000 income, that is $1,500 for needs, $900 for wants, and $600 building your future every single month. 5 steps to start today. Find your take-home pay. Calculate your 3 buckets. Track 1 week of spending. Automate your savings on payday. Adjust and repeat. If you want to know exactly where to put that 20%, go watch my Roth IRA video and my Investing $1,000 video. Links are right here. Those 3 videos together give you a complete money system. If this video helped you, please subscribe. Every single week I put out money videos just like this one. Drop a comment below. What is your biggest budgeting challenge right now?